Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Metria Nikole and I make home decor, cleaning, and home organization videos. In today's video, I am cleaning my kitchen, also providing you guys a little ASMR. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Hey guys, in this video I had just finished up washing my hair. I had some things to get done that morning and used the dining room table as my little mini office, so I decided to go ahead and be productive and get some things cleaned up. I also wanted to introduce you guys to my brother-in-law's beard brand. It's called the Legacy Beard Brand. He has a website. I actually use his shampoo, the black soap shampoo, for my hair. It gets my hair super clean, and I just wanted to introduce you guys. There's an upcoming still shot right here, and I will leave his website in my description box. So this is just a quick shot of the cleaners that I used today in the kitchen for the Zeep. I believe that's what it's called. As far as the stainless steel cleaner, I'm not 100% sure if I like it. Honestly, this is my first time really having stainless steel appliances for myself. So when it's going on, it seems like it's more of a polish, I guess, than versus a cleaner. And I'm not sure if the results I'm getting is supposed to give. So I may end up searching for another cleaner. I haven't decided. Also for that Zeep floor cleaner, I use that to mop my floors. When I moved into this place, there's no tile. Instead of carpet, that's the vinyl flooring. And I don't really mind that, only because, you know, with tile, you have the grooves and stuff you have to kind of keep clean, the grout. And with vinyl flooring, you don't have that issue. However, I had to switch the cleaner, and I ended up finding that cleaner at Hobby Lobby. Excuse me. You see what's on my brain? I meant at Home Depot, and it gets our floors super clean. I have no issues with it. I love it, so I'll continue on with it. Alright guys, so I'm just pretty much wrapping up the video, finishing up the mopping. Eventually I'll probably buy another mopping system. I know the old cedar one is pretty popular. I bought one similar to that one that was just around the same price, and eventually the stepping part that rings out the mop eventually gave way, and I'm just not sure if I want to reinvest in another one. I'll think about it. Right now this is just doing the job, but again, I just finished up cleaning up my kitchen, sweeping, mopping, just getting the house reset for the rest of the week. I hope you guys truly enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.